Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're taking a look at OppLoans, a lending platform found at www.OppLoans.com. OppLoans provides short-term installment loans, which can be a useful financial tool when used responsibly. It's essential to understand the terms and conditions fully before committing to any loan. Remember, borrowing money always involves repayment with interest, so careful consideration is crucial. Before considering OppLoans or any similar service, it's wise to explore all available options. Compare interest rates, fees, and repayment terms from different lenders to find the best fit for your individual circumstances. Be sure to factor in your current financial situation and budget to ensure you can comfortably manage the repayments. A short-term loan shouldn't create long-term financial stress. OppLoans might be a viable option for those facing unexpected expenses or needing a quick influx of cash. However, it's crucial to remember these loans are designed for short-term needs and not long-term financial solutions. Over-reliance on short-term loans can lead to a cycle of debt, so utilize them cautiously and only when absolutely necessary. Navigating their website, OppLoans.com, allows you to explore the details of their offerings. I encourage you to thoroughly review the information provided on their site regarding loan amounts, interest rates, and repayment schedules. Transparency is key when dealing with financial institutions, so take the time to understand every aspect of the loan agreement before proceeding. Remember, borrowing money is a serious commitment. Before engaging with OppLoans, I strongly recommend evaluating your financial health and exploring alternative solutions if possible. Consider budgeting, saving, or seeking advice from a financial advisor to ensure you're making the most informed decision for your financial well-being. This video is for informational purposes only and doesn't constitute financial advice.